TOC to entry.
Element to TOC.
Suspects
TOC,
are
we have a civilian
refusing to
injured here.
negotiate. You are clear.
Put your hands up and get on your knees. Drug enforcement, get down now. Show me the palm of your hands. Let me see those hands. Have your hands on the ground.
Are you serious?
TOC. Civilian.
Drop it!
Lead to TOC. Notify trailers. Civilian is DOA.
Lead, this is TOC.
Collecting.
Continue with your mission.
DEA, put your hands up. Good, good, good. Drop it, drop it!
Civilian cuffed and prepped for evac.
This is TOC. Proceed with mission.
Element to TOC. We have a civilian in our custody.
Folks are real criminals, man. Let me go.
What the shit was that?
Drop it, drop it!
Fuck you, man. I'm getting down.
Another day.
Come to me, but do not stand up. I need you to turn around.
Right ideas?
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law.
Yo, man. What the
Compliant. Lead to
The
TOC.
safety of my agents.
TOC
Entry
to
team to
element.
TOC.
TOC, be
Roger
advised,
that,
we have a
entry
dead
team.
cell.
Don't point
Mom,
that
this is
fucking gun.
bullshit.
Move on.
TOC. Civilian is obvious DOA.
Rest, we're just
Who
detaining
handled
you.
the real problem? I'm innocent.
Lead to TOC.
Okay,
Civilian
calm
is in
down.
custody. Requesting escort.
TOC to lead. We're ready.
Entry
TOC
team
to
to
entry
TOC.
team.
Gotta get the
We have a
hell out.
Great
civilian
job,
in
entry
custody
team.
and
Come
ready for
home
transport.
debrief. This is TOC. Trailers ready.
Fuck! Drop it! Drop the gun or you'll be shot! Drop it or I'll kill you! You point that at me or I'll fucking shoot you! Get the
Lead to TOC. Suspect is in our custody. Requesting.
shit gun!
TOC to free. Trailers.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Element to TOC. Civilian restrained and ready for.
You think you hard?
Hands! Hands! Show me the palm of your hand. In the safety of my agents.
TOC. Civilian cuffed and prepped.
Round. Do not reach for any. Drop that weapon! Federal gun, gun, gun! Drop it or. Turn around, keep your hands up.
Are those? Stay cool.
Be advised, we have a dead suspect.
Lead, this is TOC. Thames notified.
Someone else is.
DEA, get down now! Drug enforcement, get down! DEA, get down now! Hands up! Let me see those hands. Have your hands.
Hey, what did I do?
Entry team to TOC. Civilian in custody and secured.
TOC here. Beauty. Keep them coming.
Ground!
TOC.
TOC, suspect is down.
Element, this is TOC. Continue.
Hey, you get on the ground! Federal agents, get down now!
Talk about this.
Put your hands up here! Federal agents, get down now!
I'm just a kid.
DEA, get down on the ground! Point that at me, I'll drop my weapon now! Get down now! I need you on the ground now!
Oh!
Lead the talk. Civilian is secured.
This is Talk. Trailers notified.
Federal agents, get down on the...
Element to talk.
I'm going to collect it.
Entry team. This
Entry
is
team to
Talk.
talk.
Secure
We
the
got some
area,
tech here.
and we'll send forensics in.
Talk, we have one dead suspect on scene.
Talk to entry team. Stand down.
Just
We can't
scream
afford
over.
mistakes like that.
Lead the talk.
Talk, be advised we have a suspect killed.
Talk reporting. Dagobin.
Suspect is down.
Talk to Element. We have rules outlined for a reason. Act.
Team to
Talk
talk.
to Element.
Talk, be
Good
advised
job,
we have a
everyone.
suspect killed.
Roll in.